Hi friends, welcome to Startup Thursdays. This is Garg from AxisBank, representing New Economy Group at Corporate Bank. One of the questions which we get often is what support bank offers to startup with respect to their funding requirement. Now, as you would all know, the funding requirement of startup could be catered by either equity capital or a debt capital, and certainly for their debt requirement, the startups look forward to the bank and various other institutions for funding. Now, just to share with you, at AxisBank, we have a new economy group which is focused group for startup banking, and credit is one of the offering under the product segments which we offer to startups. Now, credit from bank is offered in various forms, be it on term loan, working capital requirement, non-fund limits, and the criteria to offer a credit as to what all things as a bank we look forward for in startup is depending on the business stability. So a startup should be at least in a business for one financial year, which is different than a traditional credit policy, because in a traditional credit policy we look forward for at least a 3-year financial. The second criteria we say is there is a minimum threshold, or a turnover of a company should be in excess of 5 crores, where so that we can look at them in terms of their financials. And thirdly, we also look at as to what kind of an cash reserves they have got in order to service the debt, because again, a debt offered from a bank would be for a minimum duration of a year, and they should at least be in revenues to service the debt, or their cash reserves should be sufficiently available with them so that they can service the interest payments. Apart from that, we certainly look at the background of the promoters, what's the business viability, and what is the requirement for raising this funds. Is it for the working capital requirement where it is a gap, or if it's for any other purpose? And if the startup is also funded by any of the venture capital funds or the private equity players, that also gives an additional comfort apart from the ones which I just now mentioned. I hope it answered your query, and keep your questions coming in. Thank you very much.